KD panels use the latest coating technology for a consistent, durable surface. KD panels come pre-finished, no lacquering is required. They only require edge paint application to get the best results. Edge paint application is a fundamental procedure when using pre-finished panels. A proper application will completely cover the seam between edge and surface and avoid penetration of dust and moisture to the core. It creates a one-piece appearance to enhance the quality of interior decoration. First, complete the basic structure of the cabinet. Next, glue KD panel on the larger surface of the cabinet. To fix the edges on large surfaces, a 45-degree router bit is recommended. For more details, refer to our video 45-degree bit routing procedure. Edge paint application should be done before assembly to facilitate application. We recommend disassembling the cabinet parts and starting edge paint application. For side width less than 6 centimeters, we recommend the use of paper-backed veneer. Before gluing the paper-backed veneer, the base of the side should be filled with wood filler. Then, use number 240 sandpaper board to sand the surface flat. Apply glue on the base and back of the paper-backed veneer, and laminate the paper-backed veneer on the sides. Use an edge trimming knife or utility blade to trim the extra paper-backed veneer. After gluing and covering all surfaces, we are ready for edge paint application. First, use number 240 sandpaper to smooth the trimmed edge. Then, repeat with number 400 sandpaper until the edge is completely smooth. When sanding the edge, the sandpaper board should be used in different angles to create an arc-shaped edge. Remember, sandpaper must be attached to a sanding block when sanding edges. Once the edge is completely smooth, we can proceed to the edge paint application. Shake the edge paint bottle and mix evenly. Use paintbrush to mix thoroughly. Remove excess paint on the paintbrush and mix once again, until all the sediment is thoroughly mixed into the paint to avoid unevenly mixed paint and the risk of variation in tone. Remove excess paint from paintbrush with the rim of the bottle. Grip the paintbrush firmly with thumb facing upwards. Use the belly of the brush to paint. Start at 3 centimeters from the corner and paint along the edge. Repeat several times until edge is completely covered. If you're not satisfied with the finished edge line, use ethanol to remove the edge paint and repaint. KD panels offer matching edge paint for each item. However, due to the natural characteristics of wood, a slight difference in color may occur between the panel and the edge paint. If this is the case, you're welcome to contact your sales representative for a customized mix. Please wait for at least 4 hours until edge paint has dried completely. Use number 800 sandpaper to smooth the edge and polish the edge. If you wish to obtain a smoother and more solid edge line, sand the edge line gently with number 800 sandpaper a day after the edge line application. Then apply the edge paint once again and smoothly sand with number 800 sandpaper to achieve the best quality. This edge paint application is a simple but significant procedure. A good edging procedure will enhance the quality of woodwork and also effectively protect your furniture. Normally, for every 8 sheets of pre-finished veneered panels, it's recommended to leave at least 8 hours for the edging procedure to achieve the best results. If you want to enhance the look of your interior space, KD panels are your best choice. KD Panels, green building materials.